Introducing from CarCatCreations, the Ultimate Kill Switch, a two-stage plug-and-play kit. The kit shown in this video is designed to fit the Superstock, Redeye, Hellcat, Scat Pack, and SRT for the 2015 to the 2022 Dodge Chargers and Challengers. Additionally, it will fit the RT, GT, and SXT, as well as the 2015 to 2022 Chrysler 300. From personal experience, we at CarCatCreations know the importance of protecting your vehicle from theft. The intent of this kit is to prevent the theft of your car or truck by disabling the push-to-start button. With this kit, even a hacked key fob cannot start your vehicle. The quick and easy installation has no factory wire cutting, splicing, drilling, or modifying of any kind. Your OEM remote start still functions, and this kit works with factory or aftermarket alarms. It's a small price to pay to keep the hassle of theft away. The Ultimate Kill Switch two-stage plug-and-play kit comes with the following: the plug-and-play harness with fuse, a rocker switch ready-to-go assembly, a rotary switch and bracket, a durable security box to contain the connectors, tamper-resistant screws to fasten the security box, plus a couple extra just in case you lose one, and a driver bit to use with these special screws because they are not sold in local hardware stores. For installation instructions and more information, please visit us at CarCatCreations.com. Coming soon, plug-and-play kits for Grand Cherokee, Ram trucks, and Durangos.